wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Back in this bit with another reaction. You already know what time. Yo, that mafia. See what I deal with. Yo, we here with this artist. We haven't reacted to this artist in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, real talented artist, man. He's one of the most. He's definitely one of the most talented and lyrical and creative artists out there. You don't get much love. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. You don't get much love. He's very underrated, yo. But he's one of them artists that I feel like say, yo, should really be up there and people be sleep on. You know what I'm saying? And you don't know who me I talk about already. If you don't know who me I talk about, we haven't reacted to them in a minute, so I might understand why. But yeah, man, this is a really dope artist, man. Straight out of Floridian and Jamaica. I've been doing this thing for a while now. You know what I'm saying? For a good minute. Yeah, man. I'm gonna talk about none other than Gage. Yeah, man. I tell you, I react to Gage. Great Gage dancehall freestyle. With this one was requested by one of our Dan Mafia family. This was actually requested by How We Go. You know what I'm saying? So How We Go, big up yourself. Yeah, man. So he requested this. The last song we reacted to from Gage was Worry About What. You know what I'm saying? Now I think he's in the UK. You know what I'm saying? I think he's in the UK. And I forgot the name of he's in the UK and he's with Reggae Selecta UK. As me, he was with Reggae Selecta UK and he did a freestyle, and that's what we're gonna check out and see where that deal with. This one was requested by How We Go. As me, and his title said Gage with an explosive freestyle. So it looked like he did pretty well. And we know it's a Gage bad on the freestyle and bad with the lyrics. As me, so it should be pretty sick. So we're gonna check it out and see where that can deal with. Now I'll hold up the vibes more strong. This is Gage with an explosive freestyle. This is Dancehall Selecta UK. Let's get it. Yeah, man, let's get it.
Run the track! Run the track! Run the track! I'm here to say, yo. Vision here, big up on the damn self. Just believe what me tell you when me tell you. Hear me, I tell you.
Come in, Gage. Me know say you're a bad artist in the dog. You have to kill the freestyler now, my G. Come in, man.
I want this with every heartbeat in my chest. Much time if you pass the test. I'm here to say, yo, UK selector. Watch your style. Yo. Send them the message and them seen it. Give them the hits like Tyson and make them feel it. Feel like a missile with the eat it got me seeking. Used to wake up in my bed and
them the hits like Tyson make them feel it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Freestyle, bro. Let me know if you want more freestyle.
See the hole them in my ceiling. Fucking with the music. And it never catch me cheating, can't lie. This is something where me know I must believe in, can't lie. The game give me
fucking with the music and it never caught me cheating. Come on.
Yeah, motherfucking beating and it left me with a teaching. You're the difference in my reason left my hanging. But me solid like a guango trailing. The beast a transform. Just be careful how you treat him. Just want in the race and we not give a fuck who leading. I'm a cut above the rest. You won't see me when you're competing. Sure. That is it. Hear me and say no. Hear me and say, yo, Selecta UK. We spit the lyrics, the man of the rhythm you play. I want this with every heartbeat in my chest. How much time if I pass the test? Me can't sleep.
Tell them that mafia. I want this with every heartbeat in our chest. I want to tell you. Enough time to pass the test around here. Yeah, keep.
Got money in the rest. I'm dep on a journey. I'm not dep on a stretch.
Yeah, I don't talk about Gage much on the channel, but you know, you don't know me Gage or what that. Gage come on my client and big up on yourself.
Yeah. Send them the message and them seen it. Give them the hits like Tyson and make them feel it. Feel like a missile with the eat it got me seeking. Used to wake up in my bed and see the hole them in my ceiling. Fucking with the music and they never catch me cheating, can't lie. This is something where me know I must believe in, can't lie. The game give me a motherfucking beating and it left me with a teaching. You're the difference in my reason left my hanging. But me solid like a guango trailing. The beast a transform. Just be careful how you treat him. Just want in the race and we not give a fuck who leading. I'm a cut above the rest. You won't see me when you're competing. I'm the difference. When all of them depend the same thing. Guess who give them the when all of them I do them lame thing. Solid as a rock.
Cut above the rest here. Nah go. See me when you're competing. You see me? What do you see me? The difference with the hey, come here.
When time the game I try to shake him, now them want to shake him, man. Cause them know them could not shake him. Beating at themselves. How you mean them have to rate him and not plating? Buckle don't get it when me creating. From the rhythm start play, well the lyrics miss me.
I have to shake him, man. Cause they couldn't shake him. I want to them have to respect the thing when they think, Bill, man.
Saving, I'm a god, not a goon. Definitely need no saving, I'm the truth. Them lying like a body on the pavement. Record pan top a record.
I'm a god, not a goon. Me need no saving, brother.
Card for back up every statement. Hospital go bill, me if you telling about patient. UK Selecta, me want this with every heartbeat in my chest. How much time if I pass the test? Me can't sleep, cause money no rest. Me dep on a journey, you know dep on a stretch. Me want this with every breath when my lungs are take. Never drop off, just better me get. Me up in every tour when me see them a shit. And if you look on the ground, that my blood and my sweat, me want it. Fucking with the music and you never see me pull out. Hear me a say na man, don't stop it in a Reggae Selecta. How we there na man? Watch your style. Fucking up the game now and you never see me pull out. The walking library and everywhere you get book out. My career have a view now. The whole of them a look.
Fucking with the game man, you never see me pull out. Walking library everywhere I get book out. I want to you man, first and last I'm the game I should never catch you cheated. Yo, Gage style bad bro. Gage are one of the best dog. The man get a fight in the dance hall, man. Too talented. Now for them boy that I get highlight, don't even get you see me, you know? Not for them to deserve like a Gage, you know what I'm saying?
The studio got blaze like a jerk fest cookout. And we cannot get shoot out. We know the blacks were this way and the ends will get put out. Still hear the voice in my head that tell myself I come out always be my owner. Me know say me I got good out and the legend. Still the legend, nobody no go round. No crown in my place but me a god when time I go town. Silence speaks volume, me beg on no fuck round. Lyrics like black a cartel and me sicker when me go brown. You want to test? Well try me. Build back the vibes like a split.
What are your lyrics? You must hey, that's one. Gage Richie. Come on.
Me pull out the walking library and everywhere you get book out. My career have a view now. The whole of them a look out. The studio got blaze like a jerk fest cookout. And we cannot get shoot out. We know the blacks were this way and the ends will get put out. Still hear the voice in my head that tell myself I come out always be my owner. Me know say me I got good out and the legend. Still the legend, nobody no go round. No crown in my place but me a god when time I go town. Silence speaks volume, me beg on no fuck round.
Crown in my place but me a god when me go town. Silence, come here.
Lyrics like black a cartel and me sicker when me go brown. You want to test? Well try me. Build back the vibe.
Come on, say lyrics like black a cartel and me sicker when me go brown. Easy no man. Gage, come in at this my line now. More freestyle coming, bro. More freestyle coming. This thing is spitting, bro.
It's like a spliff and then me light it. What you mean them see the rate? Never the leaf gonna bumbo clock. How are this a dog? A sick dog. You know me chest. How much time if I pass the test? Don't stop it in a Reggae Selecta. I will ask them out or something. Watch your style. One of the greatest that not easy for come by. Call me a nuclear bomb with radiation combine. Enough youth no reach each part me reach, believe me enough try. Got some dogs at prison that will never see the sunlight. Have some things in my brain, give me a pen, they must write. Like how you want this forever, but they are sometime. Believe me dog, it bigger than the floor and the punchline. No for all your belly, you gonna miss out couple lunchtime. And when you're dead, pull up that. Pull up that.
Don't anyone.
You okay? You know see how we spit the lyrics while you play.
Yo, big up how it go. Big up how it go for this request, bro. How it go? I appreciate this request, my G. You see me big up and damn myself. Yeah, this is lit. Oh, you know about Gage, by the way, bro. Drop in the comment section. How you know about Gage?
Hear me I say, just believe what me tell you when me tell you. Hear me I tell you. One young legend, and the king in I south. One young legend, king in I south. Yo, one of the greatest that not easy to come by. Call me a nuclear bomb with radiation combine. Enough youth no reach each part me reach, believe me enough try. Got some dogs at prison that will never see the sunlight. Have some things in my brain, give me a pen, they must write. Like how you want this forever, but they are sometime. Believe me dog, it bigger than the floor and the punchline. No for all your belly, you gonna miss out couple lunchtime. And when you're dead upon your back, that time you done try. Save your tears them, you feel so you done cry. Bleach out face, full of tattoo with none smile. That's how me step up on the scene for the first time. And not the art of war is bravery. Ignorance is bliss, so me brave like a baby. And me no feel no way when the mother never claim me. Me walk them fucking road that them streets and them raise me. Born a bastard for conquer papa. If a music here, any rhythm, any genre, love don't want be a part of. Me taught that from the starter. Music of the art, please come and take your data. Like me not feel them fire, not a thing them not touch. Me like me weed me.
This man is spitting, bro. This man's spitting. I want y'all to go in the comment section right now. I want y'all to spam all the freestyles, all of the wickedest dancehall freestyles. Them spam them right now, and I'm gonna get bro. This when music nice. You know what I'm saying? Niggas spitting, bro. Yo, this type of shit like when niggas just spitting lyrics after lyrics and this shit making sense, bro. And it's also a vibe. You know what I'm saying? This man going in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Me know say yo. Gage. One of my favorite songs from Gage is when him like I say, me know say, oh, like I say, you know say rough and say, brah. Why I always have a pray for when I'm recording, bro? You know what I'm saying? But me know say Gage very talented. Doesn't mean the dog have enough freestyle out there, enough songs that can hear man full of lyrics. You know what I'm saying? Gage different, bro. Different. One of my favorite artists, bro. He's more on the ground than mainstream though. But yeah, man, lyrics, dog. Yeah, man, talent, bro. Come on, bro.
My brain get darker than river water. Big belly bomber, Miss Parker. Put myself amongst the finishers and not the starters. Listen to me. Ambition to a person is like gas to car. Me have to reach on me I go. Me can't stop for par. Me cannot stop for party. Me cannot stop for war.
Ambition to a person is like gas to car. If you reach on me I go, me can't tap for par. Me can't tap for war. Me can't. Yo, the youths don't have to have ambition. Yeah, I tell them, man, you see me putting that word, make sure you have ambition. Shoot for the goal, make every day count. Real tall. This man.
Me on a mission, the mission you going to take me far. I steer myself in the mirror with vader words in my head. Who going to do it for you? If it kill you, or it bill you. If you pull it off, the universe going to see you. People are going to want to be you. The hero like me. Endless possibilities when you think you can accomplish. Morph it into matter till them know you're in the public. All when time them not like me, or you mean them have to love this. And them me got amongst the people, them is what me must be. Blessed for being me present, but no peasant, not so lucky.
This nigga going in, bro. Gage, bro. They not give your flowers, me G, but me a give for Jambisco that I said Gage are one of the best lyrically. You see me style wise out there, flow wise. Big man thing. Man, me underground, brother. Them man need some real management, some real promoters, some real pushing backings. You know what I'm saying? Jano.
Okay, Selecta. Make we hear next one now. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Speak up your damn self. You hear that vision here. That's how we do it, you know. Before we go bumbo clot and see you make them feel like a human.
You hear that? Yo, that mafia, you hear the beat about the job, bro? Come on, I know this nigga from that go nasty on this shit. Come on.
So no, but make we introduce yourself, you know. Say them want know what is a Gage and where am I going on? Where am I coming from? Yeah. UK Selecta. For y'all who listen, this a part of my story. Not a must listen though, you can ignore it. But just probably, if you give it a try, it can change your life or probably something you like. Like it can be the best scenario, it just can go on. But me just want for this set to my platform, dog. So one day, I live my dead and gone. The legacy no go in Vienna, it will live on. At them be high school, me go but never graduate before me do it in a month.
Them be high school, I go them be primary. This when the them be I was down the street, nigga. I went to Klein College, you know what I'm saying?
Used to do it in my place. I kid like kids are still some of the sickest DJs. They ever pass through me a pen till this day. But that's barber shop me used to trim.
Me a pen. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, me a pen. You don't know, kind of my. Hey,
sometime up a chicken. I me link up a assailant like every evening. I me tell the dog say we.
Assailant, bro. I say like, you don't know what assailant is, bro. Bro, Gage a assailant link. Bro, that's another bad artist.
You gotta be just like him and you can ask. When my guy not. R.I.P. Assailant. Pull up our rhythm.
Assailant dead?
Hear me I tell her. Go calm it down a little. There you go, buddies. Killer kids are still in my this. If you all who listen, it's a part of my story. Not a must listen though, you can ignore it. But just probably, if you give it a try, it can change your life, or probably something you like. Like it can be the best scenario, it just can go on. But me, just want for this set to my platform, dog. So one day, I live my dead and gone. The legacy not going Vienna, it will live on. Me say ya then be high school, me go but never graduate. Before me do it in the world, me used to do it in my place. I kill kids are still some of the sickest DJs. They ever pass through me a pen till this day. A bad as barber shop, me used to trim. Same time up a chicken, I me link up a assailant like heavy evening. I me tell the dog say we a go be just like him and go and go ask. Every clash we going and we win. And without a car, we run race track. R.I.P. Balay.
Bro, you don't race track at my place like Gage. Be yourself. Behave yourself now, Gage. Pick up yourself, cause we come from the CM player. Race track. Hey, race track. Behave yourself, Gage. Crossroad. Campbell shop. Bell shop. I know you know if we shop, I'm not going to say where I say the shop, I'm going to know. You know what I'm saying? But you know the other shop, the three big shop around there, man. Easier say other than Jackie and Sozy. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself, Gage.
You fuss a hilltop, yo me miss my dogs. Couple of them drop, I get to give me the first work round of the car wash. My first producer, me and Buns, the living room was the studio. Gate was the stage show, long before the plane, the fame, the play role. Should we play my first song pan him sound? That before me meet the girls, before me go town. That to give me the clocks, yeah man the L Stitch Brown. When the world suffer cut, the NSF is stick around. Panning ground. And if you know where me I come from, you know me nah go back. Just a tell about my story, dog, no joke, no inna that. Me know the jail sell them like my hand back. And me know fire clappers different from gunshot. Me a chat this year with rap and lyrics, no soul. Used to live at one place when him devil knows all. Me know the good, me know the bad. Yeah man, me know the bowl and me say friend kill friend. So me know pussy hole. Me writing still dep on the wall. Them
Easy, Gage. Gage going in on this freestyle, my nigga. Lyrics for deals.
a real G, a brother man call them the community ball when unfair gameplay and reach the dog them. Still them ask my question like, what is a Gage and where me going on? Where me coming from? Yeah. UK Selecta ask them if my plan for this sir, my plan for rich dog. Man I got there from the start till it end why? Yeah. Me see I go on. I me see close friends start pray away. Couldn't even pre back a part of the game, but out in the world, way different from your place. You find out so the money different from fame because the Benz in the video, not on the driveway. Me wish said it, thoughts could have stayed in my brain instead of just the fucker. Selecta, we tell them and we not forgot nobody. Now we love them forever. And we got couple dogs, we coulda call them a brother. Me been through the storms, and a bag of bad weather, and a bag of whole iron still under the cellar. Life changed though, from Renee and the Anja to McCain Road. Until the Moby was my first real stage show. Me and gangster clash and gone home on the same road. Have to tell you all of them thing ya, on the name no. Man I got said this with tears in my eyes. If, there you go, you ready for give them peace? Alright, I feel like I heard time for give them peace. Yeah. Step up, please.
This man mad creative, bro. This all off the dome, bro. Yo, you wildin', cuz. Damn, this man going for 20 minutes straight, cuz. So far, been 10 minutes straight. This man is spinning.
Selecta, you okay? We drop the bars, not jump. Rhythm you play. And the bodies are represented, see you sing. Squeeze them ready. We are king.
Well, I am.
If you ask who am I, no duplicate, no play two, so I want I check me clarity, me intellectual, me meticulous, dictionary can't stand I. I'm merit me quick, from me was a child, me no stagnant. No, me have a bag of style, back to the right. Me pop flow like an eye, rich now so tell poor like bye-bye. No loopy boss, but not I. Any show me sleeping up the place like hot eye. Bad mind out there nothing up, but they will never see me flap like you never see Jack cry. Big up me artists, yeah, Gage and I. Many bodies, but the one with bad eye. Make me tell you this, me not amplify, but every time I they go play your ears, what me go so scared eye. Why? I mean name, what me name? I mean name, what me name, what me say? I mean name, what me name? Go ask Selecta UK, You know a thing, girl, the bodies represent DAIGOBADDIS. No guy test. What you say? Well, I am. If you ask who am I, no duplicate, no play two. I want I check me clarity, me intellectual, me meticulous, dictionary can't stand I. Me brain sicky quick from me out a child, me no stagnant. No, me bagas, me up to the right. Hold on, me pop flow like an eye. Rich now, to tell poor like bye-bye. No flow fi boss, but not I. Any true me speak, burn up the place like hot tile. Bad mind out there nothing know, but they will never see me flap. Yeah, you never see Jack cry. Big up me artists, yeah, Gage and I. Many bodies, but the whole of we bad eye. Make me tell you this, me not amplify, but every time I dig up your ears, what me got to sklad eye. Why? I mean name, what me name? I mean name, what me name, what me say? I mean name, what me name? Go ask Selecta UK and say I mean name, what me name? I mean name, what me name, what me say?
I'm gonna cap to you after Gage, nigga, bro. You have a hard hack to follow, my G. You should have went first.
Me name, what me name? I listen what
you do good though.
Tell them send me highway, so me lock the place like zip. Me voice mellow, so me happy get hits. Me are the best in the nationwide. Me hot like fire, full of fame and vibes. Me no streggy, me a RJ, real jam reggae. So call me Sun City. Me observe how you feel, me a star. Alright then, I mean name, what me name? I mean name, what me name, what me say? I mean name, what me name? Go ask Popio, how me say? me name, what me say? Me name, what me name.
You can't go after the walking library, bro. You see me? My name full of too much words and diction, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're a simple little family that while it's a vibe. You know what I'm saying? It's a hard act to find.
Me can't do something about the girl them.
Hold on, man. Give me peace. Where you want to take you alive? Give me peace. Pull up that selector, you okay? Body's in a ramp, you know. Another banger. Ha! That one you bad. No worries, I check ya. Watch ya. Yeah, man, that's how me start the new year. Dog ask with the money, then yeah, me ask what I want. People a call and I beg me no pass, but I hear yeah, everything me want, bust a dance. So what? If me never had last year, so what? If me never in a top gear, so what? If me never in a, so what? Y'all still a ball for me like a coconut. Them a say me too unfair, true what? Jimmy pressure SL, I'm me a pressure mocha. I'm in a pressure the chopper, them with the Anova. On the pressure, them already, everybody know that. Fresh break a here dance, all hold that. Give them one of me lungs, a gun donor. One bag of pose, I go get a damn no pack. Dance all day a road, lift up every road block. Me there now, who did I say the door lock? Del dia me a drink. Pull up! Hear it!
Hey, me a send them on you don't know you. Reggae
Another
Selecta,
banger.
you
That one your body no worries a track ya. Open up it and give them with them lacquer. Them say we been slow but round ya so family matter. Dog, yeah man that's how me start the new year. Dog ask so the money then ya me hawks what one. People a call and a beg me no pass but I hear ya everything me want bust a dance. So what? If me never had last year, so what? If me never in a top gear, so what? If me a never no millionaire, so what? Y'all still a fall for me like a dry coconut. Them a say me too unfair, true what? Jimmy pressure SSL and me a pressure mocha. I mean a pressure the chopper, them with the Anova. On the pressure, them already, everybody know that. Fresh breath a here, dance all hold that. Give them one of me lungs, a gun donor. One bag of pose, I go get a damn no pack. Dance all day a road, lift up every road block. Me there now, who did I say the door lock? Del dia me a drink, I never no soda. 5 bag from skinny, that a eye opener. Y'all tell me she rich, me say I Oprah. Is a husband, she a look, I opener. Say she recognize me like when iPhone. And I hope say me good, like when iPhone drop. And I give me every loving so she can't hold back. And me say good pussy, Jenny, me say tight whole pot. Spot them, and when they dance for a lot. King in the south, everybody know that.
Yeah, the girl say yo. I say yo, the girl says she rich. Me say I Oprah. Is a husband she a look, I hope not. Me hope say she good like when an iPhone job. Am I feel like man crazy?
Leg of the beat, me sing. Me a the piece of the puzzle when me sing. Once me skill, when me shot the rhythm, me no miss it. Still them I report it missing. Knock them out like Tyson fishing. Give them raw like China kitchen. Make them jump like hey, something fi drink like some. That is it. Another banger. Open up your gate to know what. Sure. Them say me win slow but round ya so family matter. Watch out, yeah man that's how me start the new year. Dog ask.
Say me win slow but then that's no family matters. Easy now me.
The money there, then me ask what I want. People a call and I beg me no pass, but I hear ya everything me want bust a dance. So what? If me never had last year, so what? If me never in a top gear, so what? If me a never no millionaire, so what? Y'all still a fall for me like a dry coconut. Them a say me too unfair, true what? Jimmy pressure them again, and me a pressure mocha. I mean a pressure the chopper, them with the Anova. Who no pressure them already, everybody know that. Fresh breath a here, dance all hold that. Give them one of me lungs, a gun donor. One bag of pose, I go get a damn no pack. Dance all day a road, heavy road block. Who did I say the door lock? Del dia me a drink, I never no soda. 5 bag from skinny that a eye opener. Y'all tell me she rich, me say hi Oprah. Is a husband she a look, I opener. Say she recognize me like when iPhone lock. And I hope say me good like when iPhone drop. And I give me every loving so she can't hold back. Good pussy Jenny, tight whole pat spot. Then anyway y'all when the dance floor pack. King in the south, everybody know that. Leg of the beat, me sing. Me a the piece of the puzzle when me sing. No some me skill. When me shot the rhythm, me no miss it. Still them I report it missing. Knock them out like Tyson fishing. Give them raw like China kitchen. Make them jump like Chinese skipping. Fi drink is like somebody drop a track. The way the lyrics are sprint. When you ready for the race, get a boat to sing. Me dive in the mainstream and me ain't come out fi swim. Get another rhythm. So what? If me never had last year, so what? If me never in a top gear, so what? If me a never no millionaire, so what? Me name say give me another rhythm, you know. I sang us in the UK, where you do? I sang us in the UK, I listen too much, man. Well, I know, man. Like the beat, me sing. Me a the piece to the puzzle when me sing, also me skill. When me shot the rhythm, me no miss it. Still them I report it missing. Knock them out like Tyson fishing. Give them raw like China kitchen. Make them jump like China skipping. Feed drink is like somebody dropper. You hear the lyrics a spring. Who not ready for the rain? Get a boat you will sing. Me dive in at the mainstream. I mean come here for swim. Get a yeah. I nice sky and we never tell a lie. And a plastic bag when you singing you see through. Them a bring rubbish like down a river town. Visioneer don't blind, visioneer see. Can move plant like steel root. With my pocket full of food like red pea soup. Yeah, they a bus blank, foreigners a bus move. A win-win game can. Look at the beat, me sing. No say me skill. You know me and a chopper still down. But me have a one song and me feel me for drop you know. And I am not a chopper you know. I don't want to get it twisted. You know what I mean? But we talented and we just say, there you go buddy, so if you just drop it down. Watch out, bring it home. First chop me chop a digi loan. Chop 1,000 and take the credit off my phone. Call up my butter Singapore. Charge up my ring with the dead man board. Thing a brick in the hair, big stone. Rich gal love some cocky deep throat. Me no like informer, me bun C4. Sing it slow. Watch out, have a US and me never go a USA. A regular me de ya yard and a bangele. Them rifle ya don't sell a FLA. I feel me place, you see them me do the DNA. Chop them one by one.
Hey, Gage, you playing, nigga. You should drop this song, nigga. You wildin'. I chop her hair out, go out so crazy.
Chop them 2 by 2. We chop them 3 by 3. Claim them a chopper, but not like we. NEC and SSP. Full of gun in a me place. You know bad and you not afraid. When you say that's how you're brave. Rich badness a heavy deal. Hey, them gonna heavyweight. Buck like they go, what you want to say? Yeah, nobody say want to say no. No.
Selecta UK. Everybody's represent. Me feel like more represent for the gallis them. No gallis in here? So we get gal easy like Sunday morning, like from Sunday to Sunday morning. Touch the road Saturday night, me bound to wake up with a fat gal Sunday morning. So easy we get gal. Look how easy we get gal. It's so easy to get gal. Me wrist not fi freezy, pocket not fi cheesy. Easy we get gal. It's so easy to get gal. So easy we get gal. Hey, Selecta UK, listen what I'm going on. We born as a gallis. Enough man a wonder like Alice. Me a proud to this, me no novice. Enough man a chill pan ends. One bag of friends and no girl Selecta. How this? When it come to the girls that were beautiful, I believe with girls that were placeful. And the girls to the end and we not pretend cause we no have no place to bull. Forget a girl, me not be roll presidential. Here I will live now for residential. Ain't nothing for the girl love we naturally like oxygen to them we essential. No data me, no right.
You're reading yourself, you know, boy. You're reading your blood self.
No pen pal, no cash for love, no spend for get gal. It's intentional, no accidental. We touch the road and come back with 10 gal. Easy we get gal. Look how easy we get gal. It's so easy to get gal. My wrist not for freezy, pocket not for cheesy. Easy we get.
He catch you back. Now I'm everything. You think he catch you back? Should we give him a pass? He started of a bitch. Yeah, shake it. But he catch you out, man.
Sunday morning. It's so easy to get gal.
Sunday morning.
It's so easy to get gal.
Sunday morning.
My wrist not for freezy.
Them a no gallis, them style gallish. Gal a shower me with love, not carbally. And I tell me say me sweet, like heart and ache. So me fi touch near the breast and save the heart a beat. If she lie down dead, coulda cause a me. Uptown gal, want give me underneath. Gal a tell me say me cool, like under tree. I never take a break yet, all when school I keep. Me fuck it fatty till she tired, fall asleep. And if a gal too young, me go call my league. Sharing is caring, me no share gal. Me line up pum pum without barber seat.
Hey, me a cinnamon, you don't know in the mix it. Reggae Selecta UK.
That's it.
Man said sharing is caring. Me line up without barber seat. You get it? Sharing is caring. You know, share as in give away and then you have share as in barber and he said me line up boom boom without barber seat. You know, line up as in cutting here and line as a line and then bro, man, genius. Yo. That was mad though. I enjoyed that a lot. For real. Me enjoyed that a lot. Yo guys, shout out to yourself. Yo, oh go. Shout out to yourself, bro. Big up yourself, dog. Every time, bro. That was fun. You feel me? That was fun. I really enjoyed that. Bro, that's what I'm talking about when I'm doing music reaction. This type of shit I'm talking about. You know, we like reacting to music and shit, but we definitely got to do more freestyles, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've been itching on the channel if you guys want to see freestyles and stuff. You know what I'm saying? An interview and stuff, but you know, I did a poll. You guys say you don't want this, so we're getting it done, man. And that was a great way. I would go big up yourself. That was a great way to kick it off. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoyed that one. You know, Gage went in, did his thing. You know, very lyrical, very creative, dark flow. The man full of wit. You know what I'm saying? You can't tell he's a very intelligent artist. Big up Gage, so he's also from a place. Big up everybody from Floridian. Big up all Jamaican, all Caribbean and all. But you don't know Gage is from my place, Floridian. Me up and big up on yourself. You don't know large out here. Yeah, man, shout out to Gage, man. Mad creative, bro. Really talented artist. I'm happy to see that he went in, you know, showcased in talent shows him a real blow DJ. We're actually talented. I'm like, you're not got a mumble rapper and a mumble DJ type shit, you know what I'm saying? So big up Gage, bro. Very talented. Also, big up Diego the baddest, which is the other guy that went in after Gage. Big up himself. He started off a bit rocky, you know what I'm saying? A bit shaky a little bit, because, you know, Gage is a hard act to follow, you know what I'm saying? Being so lyrical and a big artist, it's a hard act to follow after, you know what I'm saying? But he did do a good job, a pretty good job in holding the vibes, and I think Gage definitely took it. But, you know what I'm saying? But, yes, I think Diego, the baddest, definitely did a great job, especially on the second round when he came in with a very fun, upbeat, you know, easy get, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, you know, all the time music or your freestyle have to be very lyrical. Sometimes you just need to be fun and witty and just like, you know what I'm saying? Fun, witty, and just like, you know what I'm saying? Clever. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need sometimes. So, yeah, man, definitely big up to Diego the baddest and Gage. Y'all did a great job, man. Y'all killed it. Shout out to Selecta UK for that freestyle, man. Big up y'all, man. We're definitely gonna react to more from the channel, guys. So let me know if you want to see more of this. We're gonna definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Gage, definitely one of the artists, one of the most lyrical, creative, and flow wise. You know, definitely one of the best lyricists in dancehall. You see me? Some very underrated, but trust me, he's definitely one of the best. And he's doing his thing, man. So shout out to him. Shout out to Gage. We definitely want to see more songs for Gage. Stop being lazy, man. Jump in the booth. Start dropping tracks, drop album, all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope track. You know what I'm saying? So big up Mr. Bang Bang. You know, that's Gage. You know what I'm saying? Really dope freestyle, man. He did a great job. Definitely more coming. So you know what time it is, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy out. Put your videos out. You already know what. Drop your comments. Let me know what's your favorite part of that, man. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what y'all want me to see next. I'm definitely going to do more reaction, freestyle reactions. So let me know what y'all want to see next. And let me know if you want to see more from this channel, because I plan to react to more. I think I seen a Pablo YG has one. I think a Valiant has one. I think a couple other artists have a freestyle. Go and check it out and see what them do. That's what I say. Yeah, man. The vibes non-stop, man. Dope video, guys. So you don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here now. Banger. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.